Welcome to race day, everyone. We're at Cycles Raceway. So this is the temporary Tachi. Shout out Cam when you watch this. Thanks for the suit, brother.
I woke up earlier than not racing.
The good thing is I live 10 minutes from Swartboek, so it's not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna start stretching and warming up now. Preparing for qualifying. It's a bit weird for me because normally on race day we've been practicing the day before, but we practice on Thursday, 2-day break, and race day today on Sunday. That happened because there's another event on the big circuit happening concurrently with ours. So yeah, qualifying, I'm just basically gonna have to go out, hold my breath, try and get a good lap. Qualifying is gonna be very important for today's races. I'm feeling good. Yeah. Are the results out?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, sweet. Were you qualified? Second. After Brandon?
Yeah, and then you fourth.
Really?
Brandon, me, Aston, you. And
Okay,
so I
sweet.
think you did a 48.
Yeah, bro, I felt like I was riding a 100.
I thought I was riding a 50.
No, so it's gonna be a draw, eh? Shot, brother.
So you got a 48.
Yeah. Fourth, I'm happy. Lisha, pass the transponder quickly. So this is Lisha's transponder. Unfortunately, we didn't have it on for qualifying. When we on the track, this is how they measure our lap times and our positions while we're running. There's a magnetic timing loop beam on the track. So every time the bike goes over it, it picks up the transponder, and then yeah, that's how we pick up the lap times or not. So Lisha is racing 2 classes today, so we're gonna have to tie it onto his leg. Normally we tie it onto a bike, but because he's racing 2 classes on different bikes, we're gonna tie it to him so that whenever he's racing, that it always picks him up. Don't say my vlog. Nah, like a P4.
Was it?
Yeah, shot.
S1X?
S1X, yeah.
Good job, John. And then just checking.
No, it's right here. Just sort the brightness.
Yeah.
Come closer. How are you feeling? Okay, Emmanuel says I have this thing called interview mode, where when the camera's in front of me I talk like it's an interview. So he says you need to just be natural. Like, I'm taking my mom out of interview mode. She's also plugged in. I think I've ever been so busy at a racetrack in my life. Yeah. Usually just worrying about myself.
Yeah.
Keeping myself alive.
Yeah.
But yeah, enjoying helping Lisha. But yeah, as I said, it's stressful. The races are happening so quickly, so I think now already there's only 2 more races before mine. So I'm just gonna get dressed quickly so that I can go and help Lisha. Then once Lisha's race is done, then I'm gonna sit and start preparing for mine. Exercise we do which helps with the reaction times, basically just to prepare us for the race. Let's go time. Let's go. like, what, like, because I thought we just had to do the racing. He's like, no, decide now, go to the back of the grid or start now here, then come after. And I was like, I'll come. And he was like, okay, so then completely threw me off for the start. Then I stalled, and then I was just making my way through.
No, you're riding nice.
Yeah, I felt good. And then they stopped it. Then restart, got a solid start, but a good start. I completely shanked the first corner, ran everyone wide, then Darren fell. They kind of helped because in the other group, past Bo, and then 2 guys fell again, and then red flag. But yeah, it was that first race, like in the race, it just came. Just bummed that, I don't know where we'll start now for the next one. But
Gotta go see the TC and make sure that there's going to be no issues for the second race start. How you with the kit back here? Do you want any changes?
Woke up in the morning just to kill this. Chica says she wanna work the night shift tonight. So don't make me turn your body to a light switch. Turn you on and flick it up and down. You like this, just like this. You're gonna have to let me know. No pedal to the floor, ocean deep in it like the deep blue seeping. And when I'm on the road, will you let me know that you miss me? Sunshine, you're my lifeline, and it's about time.
And just make sure you get him.
That one, right?
Want me together. I've seen this all before with you. The sun will set forever. I wanna run away, so in your race, stay with me, girl, forever. Your light shines so bright, illuminates the sky forever. Baby girl, like never before.
Demba,
my brother.
tell the boys how you feel about that race. Wait, hold on.
I can't even speak of the race. I can just say the weekend as a whole. A lot of work went into this. Thank you to everyone who was involved in this. I'm insanely grateful. I'm doing what I love.
Hashtag interview mode. Anyways.
Yeah, I want to interview mode it. No, but legit, thanks to everyone that was behind this. I'm really happy. I think the happiness is visible. You know?